Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add users in your HubSpot account. Whether you're bringing on new team members or giving collaborators access to your marketing hub, this process will help you set up user permissions properly and efficiently. First, open your browser and head to HubSpot.com to sign in to your account. If you're brand new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial right from the homepage. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central command center for all things related to your marketing, sales, and service tools. Now let's navigate to where user management happens. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to open up the full Settings menu. This is where all your account configurations live, from integrations to user permissions. Once the Settings menu opens, direct your attention to the left side panel under the Account Management section. You'll see an option called Users and Teams. Click on it. This section displays all currently active user logins in your account, giving you a clear view of who has access and what their roles are. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a button highlighted in black that says Create User. Click on it to begin adding your new team members. A prompt will appear asking you to enter an email address. Here's a handy feature: you can add multiple email addresses at once, or even import them from a CSV file if you're bringing on several users simultaneously. Once you've entered the required information, click Next in the bottom right corner. Now comes the important part: assigning a seat. This section lets you customize the level of access you're granting to the users you just created. Click the drop-down arrow under the Seat Assignment search bar. You'll see options including Developer Seat, View Only Seat, and Core Seat. Each seat type determines what features and tools the user can access within HubSpot. After selecting the appropriate seat type, you'll need to choose from 4 preset access levels. These include using the seat permissions you set up earlier, making the user a super admin, starting with a template, or building permissions from scratch for full customization. Review the descriptions carefully to ensure you're granting the right level of control. Once you've made your selection, click Next in the bottom right corner. Finally, you'll see a summary screen that displays each access level and capability this user will have. Take a moment to review everything carefully to make sure it aligns with their role and responsibilities. When you're satisfied, click Create User to finalize the setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.